Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to redeem codes in Archero 2 game. First of all, you need to open the game, then click the three lines in the top left corner and go to the settings. From here, we need to copy our user ID. Just click the copy button and it will be copied automatically. Now we can close the game and go to the browser. You need to enter to this website, which is called gift.archero2.com. This is the official website. From here, you can redeem codes and you can find the codes on internet. Just Google the simple keyword Archero2 latest redeem codes and find the codes. Guys, I just found it, so I will use one of them. You need to paste the user ID in the first gap. You need to enter the code in the second gap. For example, I will enter the code Lucky 2025 and we need to enter the verification code and click the redeem button, then click yes, and as you can see we have the reward. Now we need to check our mailbox in the game, so close this and go to your game. Then click the three lines again and go to your mail, and here you will find the gift. So redemption successful. We need to click claim reward, and that's all. We got the gift. That's all. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.